number 1 says that a baker uses C cups of flour in a certain recipe that makes D ounces of batter. If 1 ounce of batter produces 2 cookies, how many cups of flour are needed to make 20 cookies in terms of C and D? So this is a classic example of a word question with lots of variables that are here to confuse us. So what we want to do is put in numbers for the variables, and then we can actually simplify this for us so that we're just doing basic arithmetic. So if we look at this ratio, they're asking us how many cups of flour they need. So this is the variable that they're asking us for. So what we want to do is work out this ratio. So if 1 ounce makes 2 cookies, then we know that we can figure out how many ounces will make 20 cookies by setting up that basic ratio. So if you cross multiply that, you get 2 times x, which is 2x, and 1 times 20, which is 20, so therefore x equals 10. So we know that we need 10 ounces to make 20 cookies, but they're asking us for cups. So now what we can do is we can make up this ratio. So let's say that 3 cups of flour give us 5 ounces. So when we pick out numbers, we can pick out honestly any number that we want. Numbers that we want to avoid are 0, 1, or a number already used in the question. So for instance, on this question, we wouldn't be using 2 and we wouldn't be using 20, but anything else is totally fair game. So when I picked these, I picked 5 because I know that we're getting up to 10. So picking a number that's smaller than 10 and that's also a multiple of 10 is making my life really easy. So if we now set up this ratio, if we know that 3 cups give us 5 ounces, and we want to know how many cups give us 10 ounces, all we're going to do there is cross multiply again, and we get 5x equals 30, so x equals 6. Now that's our answer, but if you look at your answer choices, you're not seeing 6 there because the answer is only 6 because of the numbers that we picked. So what you have to do in order to figure out which one of the answer choices is correct is plug in the numbers that we used for C and D. So A, for example, says 10C over D. 10 times 3 is 30, divided by 5 gives us 6, and that is your answer. So the answer for number 1 is A.